Want to be the next TikTok sensation? Let's get you started with a quick and easy setup. First things first, download the TikTok app. If you're using an iPhone, head to the App Store. Android user, hit up Google Play Store. Search for TikTok and download it. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see options to sign up. You can use your phone number, email address, or even a third-party platform like Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Choose your preferred method. If you go with a phone number or email, enter it and create a password. For phone sign-ups, TikTok will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter that code in the app. Email sign-ups, check your inbox for a verification email and click the link. Now let's complete your profile. Set your username, add a profile picture, and fill out other details. And voila! You're all set to explore, follow, and create amazing content on TikTok. Happy TikToking!